everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable your network connection in Windows 10. So in order to enable your network connection, first of all what you have to do is look at the taskbar. Over here you'll be able to find the Wi-Fi icon. You can see over here right now I'm not connected to any connection. So in this case what you have to do is simply right click on this icon. Now you'll be able to find two options: troubleshoot problems, open network and internet settings. Click on the option open network and internet settings. Now you can see over here network settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options at left over here. Find the option for Ethernet and click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the Ethernet interface. Over here you'll be able to find the related settings. Find the option for network and sharing center and click on it. Now you can see over here network and sharing center will be opened. Over here at left you'll be able to find several options. At second you'll be able to find the option for change adapter settings. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find the network connections over here. You'll be able to find several options. So simply click on the network connection that you want to enable. Here I'm just going to click on the Wi-Fi option. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here it will automatically be enabled. Now you can simply connect to your Wi-Fi connection. Click on the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. Click on the connect option. Now you can see over here your network connection will be enabled and you'll be connected to that particular network. So that is how you enable network connection on Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.